Hi, this is L. Chandrasekhar from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. My topic is low inductance silicon carbide power module. Silicon carbide power modules. Leading chip and packaging technology for maximum energy efficiency. Silicon carbide power modules benefits. Hybrid and full silicon carbide power modules combine the benefits of proven industry standard power modules with packaging technologies. Thanks to various packaging optimizations, all the benefits that silicon carbide offers can be fully exploited. A low module commutation inductance allows for full speed switching of silicon MOSFETs. The higher switching speeds can be converted into higher switching frequencies, resulting in smaller magnetic filter components. At the same time, the switching losses can be reduced, increasing system efficiency. Sophisticated materials and packaging technologies minimize the thermal resistance of the chip to heat sinks, enabling higher power densities. Silicon carbide power modules key features. 1. Higher switching frequencies allow for optimized and lower cost filter components. Reduced power losses boost efficiency and lower the system cost and size thanks to more compact cooling devices. And 3. Latest silicon chips from leading suppliers. And 4 is standard industry packages optimized to the requirements of silicon, low inductance, low thermal resistance. And 5 is optimized chipsets for your application. Application of silicon carbide power modules. Solar investors. Highest efficiency in booster and inverter application using three-level topologies including ANPC and flying capacitor boosters. Energy storage systems. Maximum efficiency and low audible noise in 2 and 3 level topologies. And 3 is UPS, high efficiency double conversion systems. And motor drives, active front end and motor inverter with hybrid and full silicon six packs and off bridges. And last one is power supplies, auxiliary supplies for traction applications, induction heating, and etc. Leading chip and packaging technology for maximum energy efficiency. Hybrid silicon modules, 50% of lower power losses and easy implementation. Combination of IGBT switches with silicon carbide Schottky freewheeling diodes. Virtually no diode switching losses and significantly reduced IGBT turn-on losses. Combination of high-speed IGBT and silicon Schottky diode result in 50% of lower switching losses. Easy implementation of cost optimized silicon solution. No major driver or system design change required. Small silicon chip area limits, additional expansive, higher efficiency, higher switching frequency. This is the graph of switching losses hybrid silicon modules. Full silicon modules, unmatched efficiency and performance. Excellent efficiency at maximum switching frequency, latest silicon carbide MOSFET technology, optimized chipsets to meet customer requirements, and last one is with and without silicon Schottky free wheeling diode. Packaging technologies and leading chip suppliers. 1. Optimized power modules with minimum inductance to facilitate fast switching. And 2 is minimum thermal resistance thanks to the use of sophisticated packaging technologies. And 3 is application specific chipsets that are perfectly aligned with customer requirements. And 4 is wide power range from 10 to 350 kilowatts in full and hybrid silicon modules. And 5 is full range of industry standard packages. And 6 silicon Schottky diodes and MOSFETs from leading chip suppliers. Silicon carbide power modules product range. Our product cover a power range from 10 kilowatts to 350 kilowatts in 1200 voltage and come in 7 different packages. Mini skip and semi top represent the low power range of up to 25 kilowatts. Both base plateless. The mini skip comes with tried and tested spring technology as a hybrid silicon six pack. The first and second generation semi top modules help achieve maximum flexibility in combination with the industry standard package semi top E1 or E2. And second one is the medium and high power range is covered by semi trans 3 SKIM 63 or 93 and Semix 3 press fit available in hybrid and full silicon topologies for up to 600 amperes. Nominal chip current fast rectifier modules with silicon Schottky diodes are also available in semi pack and semi top packages. Semi top E1 or E2 full silicon carbide platform. The semi-top E1 or E2 full silicon carbide platform delivers the latest silicon MOSFET in three different topologies: 6-pack, half-bridge, and H-bridge. The semi-top E2 half-bridges come in two different pinouts. Pinout 1 allows for multiple sourcing strategy down to the chip level. Pinout 2 is highly optimized for easy PCB designs and paralleling several power modules. The semi-top E1 or E2 silicon carbide features a low specific resistance temperature coefficient combined with one of the lowest thermal resistance values of the module package. This leads to unpredictable performance. The RDS on temperature coefficient is as low as 0.1 milliohm per K. Thanks to through simulation during the design phase, all modules are designed for highest switching speeds, exhibiting high performance and stable operation at the same time. The high value of the ratio of input capacitance to Miller capacitance protects against parasitic turn on. This is the diagram of pinout optimized for parallel connection and easy PCB design. Conclusion: silicon carbide transistors has several advantages over silicon transistor like fast switching, high power reliability, high temperature stability, and etc. Main disadvantages is that lack of substrate in fabrication of power semiconductors devices.